The bucket payload monitor is now available on Hitachi Construction Machinery's EX-7 series mining excavators. The bucket payload monitor visualizes bucket payload and the dump truck's cumulative load in real time. By monitoring this information during operation, operators can achieve optimal loading for each dump truck. The system starts when the key switch is turned on. Select the dump truck in use to begin operation. The display shows the current bucket payload, the current number of loads, the remaining payload to reach the target, the truck loading logs, and the payload log. The dump truck payload is displayed as a bold bar, making the remaining amount to the target easy to see at a glance. When the optimal payload is reached, the bar turns green. The bucket payload monitor supports intuitive operation and more efficient work sites.